Guys, midterms na. I hope this last lesson is easy. Imagine kung may computations, no? Please, wag naman.
Same. Sabi ko nga, kung ma-perfect ko itong topic natin sa exam, automatic geologist na ako niyan.
Ay, wow.
Hoy, seryoso. Basta sana mabilis lang. I need a break after this week.
Okay, hello mga anak. Naririnig niyo ba ako?
Yes po.
Yes, me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good day, class. I see you're already eager for our next topic. Don't worry, this one will be both fun and informative. Today, we'll be discussing rocks, one of Earth's fundamental building blocks. Now, before I begin, let's check your knowledge. Can anyone recite what you already know about rocks? Let me call someone. Basadre, do you recall any?
Ma'am, I remember that rocks have three main types: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic.
Very good. That's correct. Now, can anyone share what they've learned about these types from their own research? Yes, Ceballos.
Yes, ma'am. I found some information on the internet. It said that igneous rock are fireborne, meaning that they are formed from the cooling and solidification of molten or melted rock. Next, sedimentary rocks are formed from deposit of pre-existing rocks of or pieces or of not once living organisms that accumulate on the Earth's surface. And lastly, metamorphic rocks, from when high temperatures and pressures act on a rock to alter its physical and chemical properties. These conditions often stretch, twist, and fold the rock as it cools.
Excellent. That's a clear and concise explanation. See, the internet, when used wisely, can be a reliable source of knowledge. Okay, now let's wait for the slides presentation. Okay, thank you for waiting. Now let's take a deeper look at some real examples of these rocks. I've prepared slides based on sources you can also find in our school library. This way, if you want to review further, you'll know exactly where to go. Next slide. Let's start with igneous rocks. These are divided into extrusive and intrusive rocks, meaning extrusive rocks, such as lavas, are formed on the Earth's surface, whereas intrusive or plutonic rocks, such as granite, form beneath the surface. Moving on to examples. Valera, could you please read what's written?
Peridotite is the main rock of the Earth's upper mantle, while kimberlite is the world's primary source of diamonds.
Correct. To add, most peridotite is a dark-colored, dense rock that's slowly cooled at depth, and it is often found layered with gabbro. As for kimberlite, these steep-sided, deep volcanic conduits often occur in clusters, which merge at depth. Okay, next slide. Next is sedimentary rocks. These can broadly be divided into those transported by water, wind, or gravity. Now, for the next slide, Febria, can you please read these examples?
Siltstone. This clastic sedimentary rock typically has fine internal layering and sometimes small ripples. Diorite. Diorite is the intrusive equivalent of andesite lava and has little or no quartz.
Very good. To add, siltstone's particles are smaller than the fine sand but larger than clay grains. As for diorite, it is darker in color and can be difficult to distinguish from gabbro. This tough rock is used for ornamental purposes and as road metal. Okay, next slide. Last but not the least, metamorphic rocks. These often have distinctive planar textures called schistosity, in which platinum minerals are aligned in parallel. Okay, for the last slide. Lastly, pulses, your turn.
Jadeite is a very hard and tough metamorphic rock formed largely from the pyroxene group mineral jadeite, and the quartzite is predominantly made of quartz grains that have recrystallized.
Excellent! As you can see, jadeite is usually massive and colored in various shades of green from white to almost black, and including a rare mauve-colored variety. The finest quality jadeite is translucent, and as for quartzite, it may be confused with marble, although it is considerably harder than both the latter and other metamorphic rocks. Okay, that's all for this topic. Do any of you have any questions?
None,
None,
miss.
miss.
Okay, thank you for listening, and that's all for today's session. Review both your internet notes and library references, and you'll surely do well in the midterms. Class dismissed. Goodbye.
Bye, miss.
Bye po.
Bye, miss.
Wow, that was actually fun. I didn't think rocks could be this cool.
Same. The internet really helped me get the basics fast. But the library sources made it deeper. Parang exam ready talaga.
Legit. I'm gonna live in the library this week, pero kasama pa rin yung phone ko open for memes, syempre.
Midterms, we're ready for you. Igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. Bring it on.
Good luck, guys. See you all in the exam. Let's rock this.
Bye.